Fette compacting. Be efficient.
The pharmaceutical circle for us is an experiment, being a machine manufacturing company and not a congress organizer. But the idea behind is, let's create a platform where experts meet experts and they can talk in a confidential environment about what matters to them and to their company.
To be able to start with the big picture thinking and then drill down into the practical next steps and how people can work together, that's exactly what's needed.
I think it's a great opportunity for the people here to get together, to exchange ideas, to look at the future, the trends.
And I'm really happy that the machine manufacturer is engaging in that kind of activity. I wouldn't wish for anything more.
Think out of the box, into the future, what will come, disruptive ideas, and that's what pharma needs. I love to be here, and if there's a follow-up, I'd love to come back.
That means for us, experiment gone, let's do the next one.
Fette compacting. Be efficient.